Happy Akshaya Tritiya, the day when you can do any Shubh Karya without actually looking for a Shubh Muhurat, because it is one of the most auspicious day of the year. Akshaya means one that never ends. So any good deed performed today gives endless results and never gets over. But do you know why is this day so auspicious? Watch the video till end to know इस दिन पर क्या क्या हुआ था. सबसे पहले सतयुग की बात करते हैं, जब माँ गंगा ब्लेस्ड आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ. किंग भगीरथ की तपस्या इसी दिन सफल हुई थी, जब माँ गंगा शिवजी की जटाओं से बहकर धरती पर आई थी, टू डिलीवर द एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ भागीरथ एंड ब्लेस एवरीवन अलोंग विद देम. फिर इसी दिन कुबेर देवता को स्वर्गलोक पर अपनी पोजीशन मिली थी, meaning he became the holder of wealth and riches, and so buying gold or silver on this day is considered very auspicious. सतयुग के बाद त्रेता युग भी अक्षय तृतीया के दिन ही स्टार्ट हुआ था, along with seeing the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu on earth. यही वो दिन है जब विष्णु जी ने परशुराम का अवतार लिया था and fought against evil rulers of that time. भगवान परशुराम was one of the biggest devotees of Lord Shiv, but teaches us that we can easily channel our anger to fight against evil and help everyone around us. त्रेता के बाद द्वापर युग में अक्षय तृतीया के दिन God himself came forward to bless his devotees. Actually, Pandavas were blessed by Surya Devta with an Akshay Patra on this day, meaning they got a vessel which will never get empty. But the condition was until Draupadi finishes eating from it. Then it will not serve that time's meal. But knowing this condition, Duryodhan sent Durvasa Rishi and his disciples after Draupadi's eating. He wanted the Pandavas and Draupadi to be cursed by Durvasa Rishi so he can always hold his power. But Bhagwan अपने भक्तों का बुरा कैसे होने देते? While Durvasa Rishi and his disciples were waiting for their meal, Shri Krishna came to Draupadi at that time and told her to give him to eat something, even if it was a single grain from the Akshay Patra. As told, Draupadi gave the leftover single grain of rice to Shri Krishna. After having this last grain, Shri Krishna quenched the hunger and thirst of the entire universe. Due to this, Durvasa Rishi and his disciples felt full and left without eating anything, and on the contrary, blessed them and left happily. Not just this, on the same Akshaya Tritiya day, some other time, Shri Krishna was also visited by his childhood friend Sudama. Sudama, as a present for his friend, had got him handful of rice known as aval. But in turn, Shri Krishna blessed him with riches and turned his misery into immense fortune. After Mahabharat, it was on this day only that Rishi Vedvyas ji began to compile Mahabharat along with Shri Ganesh ji to bless the world with one of the most powerful scriptures of that time. Then in Kali Yuga, the preparations of the Rathas of the world famous Jagannath Rath Yatra begins on this day. While these are the prominent things, one can find many good things that took place on this day. Since this day is so auspicious, it is advised to begin any form of prayer, chanting or anything today, for it to give desired and innumerable results. So what are you beginning on this day? Let us know in comments below. Like, follow and share and subscribe to our channel to never miss a story.